The individual celebrating his or her birthday on this date is a steady contrast, poised between the emotional sensitivity of solar Cancer and the cerebral mentality of the root number 5. Bright, understanding, and sympathetic, you have a great deal to contribute to society. You are something of a visionary with intuitive capabilities that allow you to foresee and anticipate future possibilities. Your innovative ideas may seem rather far out to some people, but your magnetic personality helps you get through to them and bring them around to your way of thinking. Your free-spirited urge for independence and adventure is often at odds with your home-living inner crab's need for emotional and material security. Your head may want safety, but your heart longs for freedom and excitement. You have a wide-ranging mentality that relates well to philosophical ideas, something of an idealist and crusader. You feel strongly about social problems and community issues. You are particularly well suited to a career in any field connected to the literary or performing arts, education, medicine, law, scientific research, government, or politics. You probably have a wide range of interests, associates, but few truly close friends. In a love union, you are passionate and romantic. While you may long for roots, commitment, and performance, you less emotional, more intellectual side thrives on mental companionship and a more independent or unconventional lifestyle.